Seryoso? Pasok ka na naman?
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
My name is Francesca Reyes, and ako ang magiging teacher niya sa Bible. And please, by tomorrow, gusto ko makita kayo lahat ng uniform. And always wear your ID. Before we start, to assess your knowledge, try to answer this question. Try to answer this question. How does biochemistry contribute to understanding the pathophysiology of diseases, and why is this critical for effective nursing practices? Okay, I give you 10 minutes para pag-isipan ang question.
Lagot! Pet-web ko pa naman ng biochem. Baka mapahiya ako nito. Hindi. Hindi. Kailangan, mapansin niya ako. Kaya ko to.
Ay, friends? Mr. Rosano! Mr. Rosano! You have an idea? Baka may gusto kong share sa class. Atay, simple question pa lang yan ah. Yes?
Ma'am, I think biochemistry helps nurses understand how the body works at a chemical level. It's important because many diseases problems involves the body's chemical processes. For example po, pag nagkasakit po tayo, alam ng nurses kung ano nangyayari sa katawan natin. That helps them give better care and helps them have better decisions about it.
Exactly.
Hey, Sebastian. I'm thinking of a disease where biochemistry really helps us understand what's going wrong. Imagine someone with heart disease. What's messed up in their body? And how does knowing this help nurses take care of them?
In heart disease, things like cholesterol can build up in the arteries, making it hard for blood to flow. Biochemistry helps us understand how cholesterol works and why it can cause problems. For nurses, this is super important because it helps us know what to watch for, like high blood pressure, and how to help patients manage their diet and medications so they can keep their heart healthy.
Exactly, very well said.
Pasikat? Ay, galing niya talaga, no? Ano kayong bigas nila? Ay, paano ko kaya ito pupormahan? Ano ba yan? Bahala na nga.
Okay, class. Okay, welcome sa lab. Mr. Derry, ikaw ang mag-lead sa classmates mo. Evaluate the impact of biochemistry knowledge on nursing strategies for energy preservation and patient care scheduling in critical care settings. Ms. Rosano, can you repeat the question?
Evaluate the impact of biochemistry knowledge on nursing strategies for energy preservation and patient care scheduling in critical care settings.
Pwede na kayo mag-proceed.
Okay guys, since liver failure patient to, kailangan natin monitor yung neurostatus niya always. Kasi baka nag-accumulate na yung ammonia levels, which can lead to confusion or worst case scenario, baka coma pa. Dapat low protein diet para mabawasan naman yung ammonia, and monitor always yung vital signs ng BP and LOC.
Oh my gosh, yung tinuturo sa biochem, ito na yun. Kala ko dati puro memorization lang, pero gets ko na ngayon kung bakit kailangan siya sa nursing. And ang galing niya talaga mag-explain. Parang ang tuloy-tuloy intindihin.
Tara na mag-lunch. Sige, una na kayo. Hello? So, yung sa sinasabi mo kanina, mataas yung ammonia ng pasyente. And yun yung reason kung bakit confused siya, right?
Yes, exactly. Kaya yung biochem, hindi lang pang exam sa school ka doon. Maganda din talaga siya para sa patient.
Okay, thank you.
Grabe, Ngayon ko lang na-realize na kahit hindi ko gusto yung subject, nag-make sense pala siya. And ngayon, parang gusto ko na siyang intindihin. And yun, the biochem and maybe him?
Class, mag-advance study kayo. We will have a graded recitation tomorrow. Okay, class, proceed.
La 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 la. Whoa, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kahit tagal din na, ito'y kinikimkim. Kung sasabihin yun ba ay diringin? Aaminin man, nita kong lihim. Pag-ibig mo ay tangi kong hinihin.
Girl, try mo kaya mag-review. Ang puro lang din. Thank you! Baka sakali na kapag naging interested ako sa biochem, baka sa akin naman siya maging interesado, di ba? Siguro. Ewan ko sa'yo. Girl, anong oras na? Tara na kaya? Girl, uwi ka kaya? Ikaw? Sige lang, tapusin ka lang. Nax, bago yan. Wala na si Gayo. Bye-bye.
Okay, I guess everyone's ready now. For my first question, what is the significance of biochemical markers in nursing assessment? And how does this influence the accuracy and timeline length of clinical decisions? Walang makakasagot? Ang makakasagot represented na sa please. Mr. Salo?
Ma'am, biochemical markers are substances that help nurses assess and make timely and accurate diagnosis leading to better treatment. For example, high blood sugar. It indicates diabetes. Regularly checking the patient's condition allows the nurses to monitor them, ensuring that their treatment is effective and making the necessary adjustments. This ensures timely management of disease and prevents the serious complications.
Very well said, Ms. Lasano. Paano ka nagka-idea ng ganyan?
Actually, ma'am, there's someone who made biochem worth studying. He made biochem made sense.
Naniniwala na ako sa forever. Wag mo lang nung nakilala kita. Kaya nga di ako sumurrender. Ang pinagkait sa akin at sa'yo naramdaman ang di ko akalain. Wala na kung pake, basta bahala na. Kahit pa sabihin na sa akin hindi ka itinali. Kahit tagal din na, ito'y kinikimkim. Kung sasabihin yun ba